Bonsoir à tous, and thank you, Jamie, very much for that kind introduction. I am first and foremost the Member of Parliament for Ottawa Centre, and I'm really excited about this discussion, and I wouldn't miss it. I'm very, very happy that the Ottawa Hospital is holding these discussions today. I'm very grateful to be able to join my friend and colleague, Yasser Naqvi, and to listen from Dr. Kitts about the hospital's vision for the Civic campus. So I have a strong relationship with the Civic campus. All three of my children were born there. And I also paid a visit to the emergency room in a very Ottawa fashion after skating to work on the canal. I had a terrible fall, which was extremely embarrassing, and then ended up at the Civic. I'm sure many of you have shared the same experience. I certainly know how important the Civic campus is to the residents of the downtown core and also beyond. Having a hospital close by, easily accessible on public transit, it makes our community healthier, and it makes our community stronger. Il est essentiel pour notre communauté d'avoir un hôpital près de chez nous et facilement accessible en transport en commun. The current Civic campus of the Ottawa Hospital has served our community well for close to 100 years. It is clear that it needs to be modernized to meet the needs of Ottawa's growing population. As a Member of Parliament for Ottawa Centre, I've spoken with a lot of people about this hospital. As many of you know, I knocked on a lot of doors to be here. And what I've heard is this is an extremely important issue for people in our community, but also people in all of Eastern Ontario and also in Gatineau. That's why public consultation engagement is a crucial part of this process. This is your hospital, so your voice needs to be heard, and you need the chance to shape the plans for the new Civic campus. That's why I'm glad to see so many of you have the opportunity to come here to learn more about this exciting vision for the hospital, and also to express your views and what you are looking for from a modernized hospital. You will hear from Dr. Kitts tonight as he highlights the Ottawa Hospital's vision. It will give us a lot to consider, and I'm very excited to listen as well. We've had many good conversations and are working very closely together. Going forward, as Ottawa Centre's representative, I commit to working with my colleagues in the federal, provincial, and municipal governments, as well as the Ottawa Hospital and the community, to make sure the downtown Ottawa gets the hospital it deserves. As you may know, the federal government is currently working with the Ottawa Hospital on the location of the modernized Civic campus that makes sense for the hospital, the government, and the broader community. I know my friend and colleague Yasser Naqvi, who will say a few words in a moment, shares my goal to keep the highest quality healthcare in downtown Ottawa. It's really great to have different levels of government working so closely together. Merci beaucoup. J'écouterai avec grand intérêt ce que l'hôpital a à dire et que les membres de notre communauté partagent avec nous ce soir. Et à l'avenir, je m'engage à continuer à être à l'écoute des résidents d'Ottawa Centre afin de nous assurer les services de santé et de soins que nous méritons. Merci.